breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. An important statement, in fact, has been made by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh as he celebrated Vijay Dashmi in Gujarat. In fact, he has issued a stern warning to Pakistan, saying India will hit back if Pakistan indulges in any kind of misadventure. That's the big news that we are getting for you at this point in time. Listen in to what exactly Mr. Rajnath Singh had to say.
साथियों, आजादी के 78 साल बीत जाने के बावजूद सरक्रीक इलाके में सीमा को लेकर एक विवाद खड़ा किया जाता है। भारत ने कई बार बातचीत के रास्ते इसका समाधान करने का प्रयास किया है, मगर पाकिस्तान की नीयत में खोट है, उसकी नीयत साफ नहीं है। जिस तरह से हाल में पाकिस्तान की फौज ने सरक्रीक के सटे इलाकों में अपना मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बढ़ाया है, वह उसकी नीयत बताता है। साथियों, भारत की सीमाओं की रक्षा भारतीय सेनाएं और बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स मिलकर मुस्तैदी से कर रही हैं। अगर सरक्रीक इलाके में पाकिस्तान की ओर से कोई भी हिमाकत की गई तो उसे ऐसा करारा जवाब मिलेगा कि इतिहास और भूगोल दोनों बदल जाएंगे मेरे साथियों। और 1965 की जंग में भारत की सेना ने लाहौर तक पहुंचने का सामर्थ्य भी दिखाया। आज 2025 में पाकिस्तान को याद रखना चाहिए कि कराची का एक रास्ता।
My colleague Rishabh is now joining us on the broadcast. More on this. Rishabh, good morning. A powerful message, in fact, there from Mr. Rajnath Singh, who says any kind of misadventure is going to completely change the history and the geography of Sir Creek area.
Well, one thing is very clear. India is not going to take a step back. In past many decades, we have seen that after one thing or another, India has taken a step back and gone into defensive mode at times, and the offensive have been put to rest. But that did not serve the Indian interest, and that is something that the government has realized. And now India is very clear that we are not going to take a step back. If you ever try and do something which is not as per as per our national interest, we will hit back. And so if Pakistan tries to do something like Uri, or for that matter Pulwama or Pahalgam, or even an iota of that, India is not going to sit back and lie low, and we will hit back, and we will hit back to an extent that you have never imagined. So we have seen during Operation Sindoor how the most secured air bases of Pakistan were decimated by Indian forces, and now India is very clear that if you dare to do it again, we will do something which is unthinkable. So which means that what we have done in Operation Sindoor will go further ahead than that.
Stay on with us, Rishabh. We are also joined on the phone line by retired Major General Rajan Kochhar. Good morning, sir. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. What do you make of the point that Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has made today from Gujarat? Any kind of misadventure is going to mean that the history and the geography of Sir Creek area is going to change completely, something that Pakistan should really pay attention to.
You're absolutely right. What the Raksha Mantri is trying to send a message across to Pakistan that in the present situation of a new normal, we will not tolerate, or there will be a zero tolerance for any kind of a misadventure if Pakistan attempts to do something like Uri or Pulwama, as you said. Therefore, the operational readiness of the Indian Armed Forces is of the highest degree today, because Raksha Mantri will not give a statement unless it is backed by certain facts. So we are aware that we are in an operational readiness state as of now, and any kind of incident or a terrorist attack on India would be deemed as an act of war. That has been amplified by the Raksha Mantri today, and as a matter of fact, this policy has been consistent with India since Operation Sindoor. Even Prime Minister Modi has made a similar statement earlier.
Right.
I
All right.
visualize that this is a strong message.
Absolutely. A stern warning, a strong message there coming in. Thank you very much, sir, for speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective, Mr. Kochhar. Thank you, Rishabh, for your inputs as well.